7,500 watts to each.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Wow. And this is where your additional lamp is, right here. But you took it out, yeah.
Yeah.
This is nice. Before it was nice, but like this, I guess is there LEDs and all of that on it, or?
Every back panel has LEDs. That's got LEDs.
Okay. Wow. Can we get in and hear it?
Yeah.
Awesome. And I remember the back seat demo and all of that. Can I get in the back?
Yeah.
I like back more. Yeah. So you have three 7500s?
4 18s. Yeah, it should be 4, but it's only 3 right now, Jake.
On Wolfram 7500s, right? 3 of them?
Yeah. It would be 4, but once I get it back off.
You want to come in and hear it?
Huh?
You want to hear it?
Back door's open, brother. It ain't gonna hurt you.
You only live once.
Yeah, you're right. This is my first show.
Really? You want to hear it too, man?
I'm good.
You good? This is the Blackboom. Nice and clean doors too still, man. Rockford, Fosgate, everything.
How much power you running to them?
7,500 watts to each.
Nice.
I got too much fucking music in here.
And it's a 4th order, so your bandwidth is what, 25 to 50?
More like 30.
30? Okay. That's awesome, man. Woo!
That's clean.
Yeah. That's
It ain't windy, but it's clean.
yeah. Woo! Awesome. Thank you, man.
You never make me stay, so take your weight off of me. I know you're every move. Don't want you to look at me. I've been here times before.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.